Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 16. Sa video na ito, ipapakita natin kung paano mag-send ng emojis, images, and audio messages sa Barangay Chat Management module ng BIMS App. Ang chat system ng BIMS ay hindi lang limited sa ordinary text messages. It also supports multimedia communication, such as emojis, image sharing, and recorded voice messages. These features can be used in both public chat and private chat, depending on the active chat mode. Una, mula sa BIMS main dashboard, buksan ang Barangay Chat Management tile. Pagbukas ng Barangay Chat screen, pumunta sa Message Input area sa baba ng chat room. Para mag-send ng normal text message, i-click ang Message Input box, type your message, then click Send. Now let us look at the emoji feature. Click the emoji button. Lalabas ang emoji picker with different emoji icons. Pumili ng emoji by clicking one of the available icons. After selecting an emoji, the emoji will be inserted into the message. Then, click Send to send it as part of the chat message. Next is Image Message. Click the image icon. The system will open the File Explorer. From there, select an image file from your computer. After selecting the file, the system uploads the image and inserts it into the chat. The image message is then sent to the chat room or private recipient depending on the active chat mode. This is useful kapag may kailangang ipakita visually, tulad ng announcement image, incident photo, document screenshot, or other barangay-related visual information. Next is audio message. Click the microphone icon. The browser may ask permission to use the microphone. When prompted, choose Allow. After permission is granted, the microphone button changes color to red, indicating that recording is active. While the microphone is active, the user may speak and record the voice message. To stop recording, click the microphone button again. Once stopped, the system automatically uploads and sends the voice message. This is useful when a user wants to explain something faster through voice instead of typing a long message. All messages are delivered in real time using WebSocket connection. No page refresh is required. Public chat users or the private recipient will receive the message immediately. Mahalagang tandaan na empty messages cannot be sent. For image and audio messages, make sure there is a stable internet connection because media files need to be uploaded. Also, messages are saved to the system database for history and tracking. Use these features responsibly. Since messages may become part of barangay communication records, users should follow proper communication guidelines. Sa right side or help context, makikita ang guide explaining how to send messages, message types, image messages, audio messages, emoji usage, real-time delivery, important notes, tip, and system impact. In summary, ang process ay simple. Use the message box for text, click the emoji button to insert emojis, click the image icon to select and send an image, and click the microphone icon to record and send a voice message. These chat features help make BIMS communication clearer, faster, and more interactive. Sa next how-to tutorial, pag-aaralan naman natin ang chat rules and moderation tools. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to send emojis, images, and audio messages in the BIMS chat system. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal https://epfcompositesa.com. Tapos, i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.